Alright, we're here at the Car Devious Night Drift event. This place is packed. I haven't seen it this busy in a long time.
That's it?
What?
That's it?
Wait, restart it with this guy.
Like we get a count on that basically? Or like it's just like a website. Oh, do we buy? Oh, so we're buying.
Alright, we're here at the Car Devious Drift event. It's a night drift event, so it's pretty cool. We don't get to usually do these. I'm always complaining about the heat, so for once I get to drive at night. We're gonna turn the nitrous on so you can see some nitrous backfires. Tyler's gonna throw a camera back there. Hopefully we don't lose it like we did last time. Shout out to Tyler. But yeah, it's gonna be sick. I'm excited to throw some people in here. We're gonna be doing ride-alongs tonight, so it should be a good one, and I won't be getting toasted this time. So hop in the car with us. In the pitch dark, waiting for the track lights to be turned on, and then we can go drifting. I don't know why they didn't turn them on when it was getting dark, but apparently they're turning it on like one light at a time, so this might take a while. So we're just gonna hang out until they finish doing this shit.
2,000 years later.
so you can kind of slide around and put it where you need to.
And then you kind of live in second gear for this mostly?
Yeah. How was it, fun?
Yeah, it's great.
It's freaking dark out here.
I know.
Low-key kind of hard to see. Ever been in a drift car?
No.
Oh, it's fun.
We do a lot of like off-road racing and stuff like that.
Yeah, okay, so it's not as aggressive as that. The only aggressive part is when you like enter, it kind of throws you, but once you're drifting, it's actually really smooth.
Okay. Yeah, don't take it easy.
There's 3 of you guys?
Yeah, there's I think actually like 5 now, like rotating. So you should be able to like hop in a couple cars.
Gotcha. Hell yeah, that was fun as hell.
Hell yeah, bro, that was a good one.
Thank you.
until the wheels fell off. Well, actually my wheels didn't fall off, but we broke something and it feels really weird and can't drift, so I'm calling it a day. We gave like 20 ride-alongs, so if you look, you can still see there's like 20 more people in line still. There's probably like 200 people in line, and it's like 12:30. These people are still waiting. Die-hard drift fans, man. If we had the G, it'd be a lot easier to do all these ride-alongs, but this thing is kind of a pain getting people in and out and then doing the belts and all that stuff. So that's kind of why we built the G. That's why I built the G, and that's what I wanted to do with it. And so I'm really looking forward to getting the G back and hopefully doing some of that. But this has been pretty cool. I think, you know, me and Tyler talked about it, and we're gonna make something happen for the next events to get our own kind of little ride-along line going, and for our fans and friends and stuff like that, and get some helmets out, get some suits, get everything ready that everyone needs, and hopefully we have something cool for the next event. So until next time. Wait, where's Ari at? We just tandem with the Tesla, and I don't know how I feel about tandeming with Teslas on the tracks because it's kind of weird, but the future, man. Drifting in the metaverse, part 2. Peace.
Oh, the nitrous! I wanted to nail that.